I am also noticing that a lot of students are copying the answers for number 7. So I also wanted to go over number 7 to try and help clear any confusion up. Again, to prepare us for the summative, because this would be a good test type question. So, number 7, a school has 2 pathways through the math program. 2/3 follow the first path. The rest take the second path. During one semester, 75% of students who follow the first path pass the program, while 90% of students who follow the second path pass it. Follow the steps to find what fraction of students pass this semester. So there's the 2 paths. 75% pass the first path, 90% pass the second path. All together, out of all the freshmen, how many are passing math this semester? So we need to combine those together. So they give us some steps to follow. So part A, find the fraction of students who take the first path and pass. So we have the 2/3 are taking the first path and they pass. So that's 0.75 for 75%. We changed it into a decimal so that I could multiply, because I can't multiply by a percent in my calculator. So if I type that into my calculator, I get 1/2. All right. Next step, find the fraction of students who take the second path and pass. So we have the second path, which was 1/3 of the students, and 90% of them pass. So 0.90 is 90% written as a fraction, and that would be 3/10 if we multiplied it out in our calculator. Now we need to add the 2 fractions, and this is where I was figuring most of you were just copying the answer because you just had an answer written down, and these 2 fractions are hard to add together since they have different denominators in your head. So we have 1/2 plus 3/10 because we need to add them together. So to add these 2 together, I need to find a common denominator for both of them. Well, 2 goes into 10, so I can just change this 1/2 into 5/10. So I multiply the top and the bottom by 5. All right, and then let's see, this one just goes away. So I highlighted it to show that it's going away. And then I'm going to add a cross on the top. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then the bottom is both 10, and it just stays as 10. So I have 8/10 of students pass the semester. I want to reduce this fraction just so it's complete. Divide top and bottom by 2, and I get 4/5. So 4/5 of the students pass math this semester out of all students. Hopefully that helped you.